Hello and welcome to this guided meditation. There is nowhere else you need to be, nothing else you need to do, nothing you need to figure out. For the next while, you are invited to rest in the simplest way possible. Let yourself be supported. Let yourself be held. Begin by finding a position that feels comfortable enough to remain in for some time. Lying down if it feels right, perhaps placing a blanket over the body, maybe a pillow beneath the knees or under the head. Take a moment to make small adjustments, listening to what the body asks for, just allowing ease where it is available. As you settle in, know this: there is no right way to listen to these words. You don't need to stay alert. You don't need to follow every instruction. If you drift, that is welcome. If you fall asleep, that is welcome. If your mind wanders and returns, that is welcome. Your system knows how to receive rest. Let the eyes close gently. We're not shutting the world out, just softening the gaze inward. Notice the places where your body meets the surface beneath you. The weight of your bones, the quiet gravity holding you in place. You are supported, even now. You are being held. Bring awareness to the simple fact that you are here, in this moment, breathing. Notice what is happening in your body. Life is already moving through you. If it feels helpful, silently acknowledge, in this moment, I am safe enough to rest. Just let the words land softly. I am safe enough to rest. In this meditation, we're offering the nervous system a simple intention, a quiet seed planted in receptive soil. Today, the seed is this: I am allowed to be here. It is safe to rest in being alive. You can also choose your own phrase or intention. Whatever feels right, repeat your chosen phrase gently and inwardly, as if whispering it to a child already drifting towards sleep. It is safe to rest in being alive. Say your intention one more time. And now let it go. Trust that it has been received. Bring your attention to your breath. Begin breathing in through your nose and out through your nose. In through your nose and out through your nose, allowing yourself to fully arrive. Now I want you to think of breathing only in through your right nostril and exhaling only through your left nostril. And then breathe in through your left nostril and out through your right nostril. Simply bringing the intention to do this is all you need. Breathing in through your right and out through your left. Breathing in through your left and out through your right. Do this for the next several moments. In through your right, out through your left, in through your left, out through your right. And now on your own in that sacred rhythm. Allowing yourself to breathe now fully and naturally, in and out through your nose. We begin to move awareness slowly through the body. Awareness moves like a warm light. Where it goes, nothing needs to happen. We're just bringing attention to the body. I'm going to lead you now through a body scan. I want you to envision a beautiful glowing star. And as I name a body part, this star moves to that body part. And then we move to the next. It's as simple as that. Taking a deep breath in and out. Envisioning this glowing star on your right hand thumb, your right hand second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, the palm of your right hand, the back of your right hand, your right wrist, your right forearm, your right elbow, your right upper arm, your right shoulder, the right side of the chest, the right side of the ribs, the right side of the waist, the right side of the hip, the right thigh, right knee, right lower leg, right ankle, right heel, right sole of the foot, right top of the foot. Now notice all of the right side at once. Again, finding your glowing star, bringing awareness to the left side of the body. Envisioning that star on your left hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, left palm of the hand, left back of the hand, left wrist, left forearm, left elbow, left upper arm, left shoulder. Left side of the chest, left ribs, left waist, left hip, left thigh, left knee, left lower leg, left ankle, left heel, left sole of the foot, left top of the foot. All the left side noticed together. Now envision that glowing star on the back of the body, the back of the head, upper back, middle back, lower back, the back of the pelvis, the back of both legs, the back of your heels resting. Bringing that glowing star to the front of the body, the forehead, eyes resting in their sockets, cheeks, jaw, throat, chest rising and falling, belly, front of the pelvis, thighs, knees, shins, top of the feet, the whole body held in awareness here. And now that glowing scar moves to the heart. Envision that beautiful star pulsating in and out of your heart, and let it remain here as you breathe, sinking into that sacred breath. All intention on your heart space. Now gently notice the breath again, not as something you are doing, but as something that is happening for you. Breath arriving, breath leaving, like a tide that knows exactly what it's doing. As you inhale, the body receives. As you exhale, the body releases. Let the breath be steady and natural, paying attention to that sacred breath. Now, without effort, allow images to arise. Not memories you have to search for, just impressions. You might imagine a soft morning light touching a wall. Nothing extraordinary, just light doing what it does. You might sense the feeling of warmth in your hands, of holding a mug, as if holding something simple and comforting. Perhaps the image of a quiet street at dusk, windows glowing and life unfolding gently behind them. Allow yourself to bask in whatever sweet images arrive. Let yourself feel how life doesn't rush in these moments, how it waits, how it breathes. Notice how in this moment nothing is required of you. You don't need to be exceptional here. You don't need to be healed or productive. You are allowed to simply be a body, breathing, supported. If thoughts arise, let them drift past like clouds. No need to follow them or even push them away. You are resting beneath them. From here, we rest more deeply. Words will become fewer. Silence will do the work. If you hear nothing for a while, know you are still accompanied. You are doing enough by being here. Life is touching you gently now. Taking a deep breath in through the nose and a beautiful sigh out through the mouth. Begin slowly to sense the body again. No moving quite yet, just noticing the weight of your limbs, the rhythm of your breath. Remember the seed we planted earlier. Let it echo quietly. When you're ready, invite small movements, wiggling fingers, rolling ankles, no rush. If the eyes are closed, you can keep them closed a little longer or gently open them when it feels right. Take this softness with you. No need to maintain it. It's simply something you've touched. You can return here anytime. You are held even now. Namaste.